Chris, why is data-driven investing the future of our industry?
So I think data-driven investing is it's important for investment managers to have a real good holistic view of their data, because then they have an opportunity to do more with it, right? Analyze current trends and look at patterns, find patterns, and that ultimately can lead to them introducing new products to the marketplace, which ultimately will drive sales and increase revenues. I think one sort of underappreciated aspect of the data-driven environment is that I think it provides the organization with an environment that's more of a continuous learning and development environment, keeps people engaged, and really lets people create a little more, which is unusual in our industry at times.
And how can firms strike the right balance between insourcing and outsourcing?
Yeah, that's an interesting one. I think with when Meradia is contracted, right, when we're engaged to really help clients out in figuring that out, we start with helping clients recognize what they're good at, and sometimes it takes an independent party to help illuminate some of those things. They might have strategic initiatives that they've put off for a while and that are well suited to the skills of their staff. So I think that's where we end up guiding them along that path, so that when they start their outsourcing journey, right, they have a plan and they know what their end goal is. I think one thing that's important to note is that when you're making that decision to outsource, it's not a static one point in time decision, right? You have to think of that as your starting point, and know that your business is going to evolve, the market's going to continue to evolve, and that platform will evolve with you. And I think that's where if you go into the project with that mindset, that'll help you be successful in the end.
Chris, why is attaining efficiency across an investment firm increasingly challenging?
Over time, as you build out more capabilities on the legacy technology and the market continues to evolve and change, you end up with lots of additional processes that just add time and effort to your staff's activities. And I think that when over the course of years, it really becomes onerous. So I think when you're thinking of leveraging some of the new technologies, new platforms, you're starting at a point of efficiency already, and that enables you to better service your clients with some value-added activities.
Thanks, Chris, for sharing your insights with us today.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.